In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Office Online on OneDrive, a versatile platform that allows you to create, store, and collaborate on documents without ever leaving your web browser. It's perfect for anyone who needs to manage files on the go and work with others smoothly across different locations. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to OneDrive.live.com. This is the hub of your operations where all your document management begins. Once you're there, simply sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it, which is straightforward and only takes a few moments. This account will be your key to accessing not only OneDrive, but also the full suite of Office Online applications. After logging in, you have two options. You can either upload existing files from your device or create new ones. To upload a file, just click the Upload button and select the Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file you wish to work on. If you're in a creative mood and feel like starting from scratch, you can create new documents directly by clicking on the New button. This gives you access to creating Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations right in OneDrive. Once your file is uploaded or created, it's time to open it. Simply click on the document title, and it will automatically open in Office Online. This seamless integration allows you to conveniently access Office tools without needing to install any software on your computer. You'll notice that all the basic functionalities and tools you'd expect from Microsoft Office are readily available to you in this online version. Now that you have your document open in Office Online, you can start editing directly in your browser. One of the best features of working with Office Online is the autosave functionality. Every change you make is automatically saved, so you won't have to worry about losing your hard work if you accidentally close the window or your computer unexpectedly shuts down. When you're ready to share your work with others, look for the Share button, typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this allows you to send an invite to colleagues, classmates, or friends. You have the flexibility to allow them to just view the document or give them permission to edit it as well. This makes collaboration a breeze and ensures everyone can contribute and see updates in real time. With these steps, you're now equipped to effectively manage and collaborate on your documents online using OneDrive and Office Online. This tool not only provides convenience, but also enhances productivity and team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.